Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my presentation is Introduction of Food Analysis MCQs. Today we discussed some important MCQs on the topic of Introduction of Food Analysis. The first one is food analysis is a diverse and dash field of research. The right answer is interdisciplinary. Second one is food analysis approaches are used by industry, government control agencies and academic. The third one is the molecular composition of a food products is generally very complex. It means the molecular composition of food product is generally very complex, not easy. The fourth one is the purpose of food analysis. What is the purpose of food analysis? Is to confirm the safety and flour. The fifth one is saffron is obtained flour to separate mustard seed from wheat. Spiral separators. We use spiral separators to separate the mustard seeds from wheat. The best type of separator is spiral separator. The seventh one is the R pocket type disc separator is used for. The R pocket type disc separator is used for broken rice from whole rice. Clear? Method of conveying granular materials with high speed of air current is called a pneumatic conveyor. First cleansing operations after treating is called as scarping. The inclination of belt conveyors to carry grains is limited to 15 to 17. It means its limits is about 15 to 17. To belt conveyors to carry grains to इंक्लिनेशन की जो लिमिट है वो है हमारे पास 15 to 17. द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल्स का जो प्रोसेस कन्वर्सेशन का प्रोसेस है उसको हम कहते हैं रिफाइनिंग का प्रोसेस. प्योरीफिकेशन वो होती है जिसमें हम किसी चीज़ को प्योरीफाई करते हैं, लेकिन कन्वर्ट करते हैं ना किसी चीज़ में. प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल का जो कन्वर्जन का प्रोसेस है उसको हम रिफाइनिंग कहते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज obtained exclusively in meat. मतलब कि गोश्त में exclusively क्या obtained होता है? rigor mortis. Clear? This one is enzyme. Which of the following is least nutritive? Least nutritive is cucumber. Cucumber कहते हैं खीरे को. If potato is stored at more than 10 degree, अगर हम पोटैटो को स्टोर करें more than 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड्स में तो इससे क्या होगा, तो उसका जो स्टार्च कंटेंट है वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा. विच ऑफ द प्रिजर्वेशन शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर द मैंगो पल्प विच इज़ टू बी कैंड. कौन सी प्रिजर्वेशन जो है जिसको नहीं इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए मैंगो पल्प को कैंड में रखने के लिए, वो है KMS. Which of the following components is said to be the doctor in confectionery? This one is invertase. In high fructose corn syrup precreation, the enzyme used for the conversion of glucose to fructose is isomerase. The right one answer is isomerase. Liquor ice as a confectionery contains all of these. Quality of sugar is determined by the process specified by ICU-MSA. The word ICU-MSA stands for International Commission of Uniform Methods of Sugar Analysis. Clear? Which of the following makes excellent whipping agents? The B1 answer is protein. Unplanned crystallization of sugar in a confection is called fudging. Silver coating is confectionery is also called a gilding. Which of the following statement describes the characteristics of a good jelly? इसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि कौन सी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं गुड जेली की करेक्टरिस्टिक्स को. स्टेटमेंट ऑल ऑफ द अबव. द मेजर ड्यूटी ऑफ टू मसल्स प्रोटीन्स फिलामेंट्स एक्शन एंड मायोसिन इज नन. व्हेन टू आइसोप्रीन्स आर ज्वाइंट इट इज कॉल्ड मोनोटर्पीन. शार्प स्मेल ऑफ अनियन की जो शार्प स्मेल होती है इज ड्यू टू अमोनिया. Lard is obtained from pigs, which deposition on the surface of the chocolates is due to faulty tempering. Which type of fat would you prefer for the chocolate is due to faulty? Fats with short plastic range. The surface active agents used in water is lower HLB value. What is HLB value? Hydrophilic, lipophilic, balance. HLB stands for hydrophilic, lipophilic, balance. Fat bloom is the defect found in chocolate. Decrease in the smoke points is the indication of low quality of oil. During the extraction of oil from oil seeds, the process of removal of muliginous materials to terms as degumming. Storage of food under reduced pressure is called hypobaric storage. What is WVTR? WVTR stands for water vapor transfer rate. What is ORT? Oxygen transfer rate. WVTR is expressed at which means water vapor transfer rate are expressed as gram centimeter square 24 hour. Aluminium soil acts all of the above. Which of the following packaging material has perfect barrier properties? Glass. EVOH stands for ethylene vinyl alcohol. Niacin is a broad spectrum antibiotic. Which component of anemone has antimicrobial effects? Cinnamic acid. Which acid is used in carbonated non-alcohol beverages? Phosphoric acid. What is the proposed mode of action of citric acid? Sucrose ester are both A and B. Calcium stearate is used as an anti-caking agent. Which of the following is used as clarifying agents? All of the above. Cyclamate is a non-nutritive sweetener. Lecithin is used as emulsifier. Thank you for listening.